Hey, this is Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia. Beautiful sunny summer day, and we're checking out this gorgeous 1976 Ford Bronco Classic. This one received an extensive restoration over the past year. The gentleman I purchased it from bought it from a friend of his who got it from the original owner's family. So very few owners on this Bronco. It was in extremely good condition when he got it, but he treated it to an extensive professional restoration, front to back, top to bottom. Beautiful color combination. This is the original hot ginger metallic color. Beautiful paint and body. You've got to see it up close and in person. It's show quality. You'll see all the pictures to get all the details. Beautiful straight body lines. It's got a 2-inch suspension lift, sitting on a really nice set of beadlock style wheels, 32, 11.5, 15-inch tires. Give you a quick walk around on the body. It's got the body side molding, which is a really nice touch on these Broncos. Fender flares are brand new. Matching spare. You'll see it's got the full soft top, the Rampage soft top, which is brand new, which is great because you got the zip out windows, so you've got that open air feel, but when you do need it for some inclement weather or colder weather, you zip in those windows, no problem. Also got a brand new roll bar that was powder coated. Really straight body. Gorgeous paint, as I indicated. The grill's been painted in sort of an argent gray, which matches the inside door panels as well, the Ford lettering. So under the hood, you've got a 302, the original 302, that was completely rebuilt. Slightly bored out. They added an aluminum intake, 4-barrel carburetor. Drives fantastic. Automatic transmission completely gone through. Front and rear differentials completely gone through. New drive shafts. New. 2-inch suspension lift, I may have mentioned. Power steering with a new power steering pump. All new suspension components. Power front disc brakes. All new brake lines. All new fuel lines. Take a look inside. Beautiful dash, again painted in that sort of argent gray color. Matching the door panels. Stock front seats, beautiful carpet kit, a nice tumble forward rear seat, aftermarket with seat belts, custom rear interior panels that hold some speakers. This thing's got a great stereo system. If you enjoy your music, you'll love the sound that he installed here. You've got speakers in the front kick panels, you've got a subwoofer underneath the passenger seat. All the gauges work. This is a turnkey, get in and go, show quality, cruising Bronco. Let you hear it start up and running. Fires right up. Let you hear the stereo a bit, I guess, here. Well, let's hear the rumble. It's got the sort of a stock 2-into-1 exhaust. Sounds really nice. Let you hear it. If you're looking for a super high quality early Ford Bronco, the 76 Hot Ginger Metallic is one you do not want to miss. Beautiful quality, top to bottom, runs out great. Next owner is going to be really happy with this one. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Thanks very much. Good luck.